Join me on a thrilling journey through the vast expanse of the internet as I unveil the absolute best gadgets and devices that'll redefine your tech game. Are you tired of traditional headphones that block out the world around you? Do you find it difficult to listen to music or take calls while staying aware of your surroundings? Introducing Sam and Johnny Bone Conduction Headphones, the revolutionary way to upgrade your listening and call experience. This technology bypasses the eardrums and sends audio vibrations directly to the inner ear through the bones of your skull. And when it comes to taking calls, the built-in microphone ensures crystal clear audio, so you can stay connected without compromising safety. Plus, with a sleek and lightweight design, these headphones are comfortable to wear for extended periods, making them perfect for all-day use. Connecting to your device is effortless thanks to Bluetooth connectivity, giving you the freedom to move without being tethered by wires. And with intuitive touch controls, you can easily adjust the volume, skip tracks, and answer calls with a simple tap or swipe. When it's time to recharge, simply use the included USB-C cable and you'll be ready to go in no time. Picture this: you're out in the great outdoors, soaking in the fresh air, surrounded by friends, and the only thing missing is ice for those refreshing drinks. That's where the FlexTail Evo Icer comes in, the ultimate game changer for outdoor adventures. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional ice-making methods and hello to convenience with this innovative battery-powered ice maker. What makes the FlexTail Evo Icer stand out? It's all about its portability and efficiency. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this compact device can produce ice cubes in minutes, no matter where your adventures take you. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, tailgating at a game, or enjoying a beach day with friends, you can count on the FlexTail Evo Icer to keep your drinks icy cold. Attention all iPad Pro users. Are you tired of juggling multiple accessories and cables to make the most of your device? Say hello to the inventions Mag Hub 3. The ultimate stand and USB-C hub designed specifically for the iPad Pro. Transform your iPad Pro into a productivity powerhouse with this innovative all-in-one solution. No more cluttered workspace, no more hassle, just pure efficiency. What sets the inventions Mag Hub 3 apart? It's all about its versatility and functionality. This sleek stand not only elevates your iPad Pro to a comfortable viewing angle, but also serves as a powerful USB-C hub, expanding your device's connectivity options like never before. Whether you're a creative professional, a student, or someone who simply loves their iPad Pro, the inventions Mag Hub 3 is your one-stop solution for seamless multitasking. Hey, city dwellers! Are you tired of dealing with crowded public transportation or searching for parking spaces for your bulky bike? Say hello to the Pop Cycle, a revolutionary foldable and slidable bike that's about to change the way you navigate the urban jungle. Designed with urban commuters in mind, the Pop Cycle offers the ultimate combination of convenience, portability, and style. What makes the Pop Cycle stand out? It's all about its innovative design. With just a simple push and slide, this bike transforms from a full-sized ride to a compact package that's easy to carry and store, perfect for those tight city spaces. Whether you're hopping on a train, maneuvering through crowded streets, or storing it in your apartment, the Pop Cycle makes urban commuting a breeze. But don't let its compact size fool you. The Pop Cycle is packed with features to ensure a smooth and comfortable ride. From its durable frame to its responsive brakes and adjustable seat, every detail is crafted with your comfort and safety in mind. And with its stylish design and customizable color options, you can ride in style and make a statement wherever you go. Are you tired of struggling with a cluttered workspace every time you use your laptop? Introducing the Cafea Q2 Splitter, the ultimate solution to turn your laptop into a fully equipped workstation. Say goodbye to the hassle of tangled cables and limited connectivity options. With the Cafea Q2 Splitter, you can streamline your setup and maximize your productivity like never before. What makes the Cafea Q2 Splitter stand out? It's all about its versatility and functionality. This ingenious device seamlessly integrates with your laptop, expanding its capabilities with a range of ports and connections. Whether you're a digital nomad, a freelance professional, or a student on the go, the Cafeya Q2 splitter empowers you to work smarter, not harder. With its array of ports, including USB-C, HDMI, USB-A, and SD card slots, you can connect all your essential devices, from external monitors to storage drives to peripherals, with ease. And thanks to its sleek and portable design, the Cafeya Q2 splitter is the perfect companion for those who are always on the move. Whether you're working from a coffee shop, a co-working space, or your favorite spot at home, you can take your workstation with you wherever you go. Are you tired of the same old routine at the gym, looking for a way to add excitement and challenge to your workouts? Meet the Boxing Buddy, the punching bag that's ready to spar back. Say goodbye to monotonous training sessions and hello to a dynamic and engaging workout experience. With the Boxing Buddy, every punch you throw comes with a response, keeping you on your toes and pushing you to new heights. What sets the Boxing Buddy apart? It's the perfect blend of innovation and functionality. Equipped with advanced sensors and technology, this punching bag reacts to your strikes, providing real-time feedback and resistance. Whether you're a seasoned boxer honing your skills or a fitness enthusiast looking for a challenge, the Boxing Buddy offers an intense and effective workout that will leave you feeling empowered and energized. With adjustable settings and customizable programs, you can tailor your training session to suit your goals and preferences. From cardio workouts to skill development, the possibilities are endless with the Boxing Buddy by your side. Are you tired of carrying multiple power banks and adapters every time you travel? Say hello to the Shark Geek Starship Seer, the all-in-one smart power bank that's about to revolutionize the way you stay charged on the go. What makes the Shark Geek Starship Seer stand out? It's all about its versatility and intelligence. This smart power bank is equipped with a range of ports, including USB-C, USB-A, and even a wireless charging pad, so you can charge your devices in any way you choose. Whether you're on a road trip, camping in the wilderness, or simply working from a coffee shop, the Shark Geek Starship Seer has you covered. And with its intelligent charging technology, it automatically detects the optimal charging speed for your devices, ensuring they charge quickly and safely every time. Plus, with its durable build and long-lasting battery life, you can rely on the Shark Geek Starship Seer to keep you powered up wherever your adventures take you. Ever wished you had a jacket that could keep up with your active lifestyle no matter the weather? Well, your wish is granted with the Sedon Gale Act Puffer, the ultimate solution for all-season comfort and style. Designed to adapt to the ever-changing elements, this isn't just any ordinary jacket. It's your go-to companion for whatever adventure comes your way. What makes the Sedon Gale Act Puffer stand out? It's all about versatility. With its innovative modular system, you can customize your insulation level to match the conditions, ensuring you stay cozy without feeling weighed down. Whether you're trekking through snow-capped mountains or strolling through sun-drenched streets, this jacket has got you covered. Literally. Engineered with premium materials, it offers superior warmth and protection against wind and water, so you can stay comfortable and focused on your adventures. Plus, with thoughtful design elements like adjustable cuffs and plenty of pockets for storage, it's as functional as it is stylish.